third chapter of the cutting portion, fabric cutting. This is the third chapter. A new topic is a cutting. What is mean by cutting? This is a method of cutting in marker planning is a very essential part. It is a part of the garments in apparel production technology. So first of all, we have to know about the what is meant by cutting. Okay. So cutting is the first stage in manufacturing of garments. Is the cutting of the materials into necessary pattern shapes. These are then joined together by means of seams to create three-dimensional garments. When a single garment is cut out, the garment pattern is attached to one or two piles of the fabric in way which allows for any special requirements such a matching of the design on the fabric. The garment parts are then cut out with the hand shears, electric cutters or dies, etc. The first stage of the cutting manufacturing is necessary pattern shapes. They are joined or together or seams to create a three-dimensional garments, which is single garments are cut out and the garment patterns is to attach two or piles, one or piles to make a matching design to perfect hand shears, electric cutters. And requirements of the cutting process requirements are very essential. Precision of cut it depends on method of cutting employed, marker planning, distance between two pattern pieces, marker making, correct making of by pencil or pen, conditioning of cutting equipment, machine or blade, etc. Skill and motivation of the operator, and clean edge from free fraying. So methods of cutting are employed is depends very precious, and marker planning and marker making and conditioning of cutting equipment, skills and motivation of the operator, clean edge from free from the fraying. So next, requirements of cutting process. Unfused edge. High temperature produced during cutting can fuse fabric edges by melting. Unfused edges can be ensured by taking the following measures: well sharpened blades, use of anti-fusion, heat absorbent paper, spraying silicone lubricants on the blade, less cutting speed and reducing the height of the lay, supporting of the lay, using of a polyethylene sheet or nylon bristle under the bottom ply. Consisting cutting, all piles should be at same dimension. So there are different types of fabric cutting machines. First one is according to the operating process. The cutting machine can be classified into three types such as manual, semi-automatic and automatic computerized. First one, manual cutting machine, hand scissors. Second one, semi-automatic cutting machine, straight knife of cutting machine, round knife cutting machine, band knife cutting machine, die cutting machine, notcher machine and drill machine. And third one is computerized cutting machine, knife cutting machine, laser cutting machine, water jet cutting machine, air jet cutting machine, ultrasonic cutting machine, plasma torch cutting machine. Advantages of hand scissors. These are the different types of some advantages of hand scissors. Overhead cost is very less and good for individual production, easy to operate and risk is very low. Don't require skilled worker to operate and suitable for making sample garments. Disadvantages of hand scissors. Large production is not possible, time consuming method and need to grind rapidly, not suitable for economical process, fabric wastage is very high, and less cutting defects found in inspection, miscut, running shades, matching piles, number bundling, bowing, notch mark, narrow goods, rugging cut, fabric weigh, measurement, leaning, tension loose, bias, alignment, and skew. Points to be considered while choosing cutting technique: precision in cut. The dimension of pattern and fabric parts is cut should be same. The cut edge must be clean. Infused edge consistently in fabric cutting. Support the flay. Place the fabric on the cutting surface. This can be large, flat, table, or counter. Should position the pattern pieces on the fold or none. The grain line is indicated. Every pattern pieces have a front side, printed side, and back side. The layout diagram will indicate which way each piece should be placed. If the fabric has a one-way design, then lay all over your pattern pieces in the same direction with finished project in mind. Accurate notch size. If it is large in size, it can be seen after sewing of fabrics. Also, there is a great probability of producing problems in matching of pattern after sewing. Drill hole and size should be appropriate and it will be placed in the right place. Every pattern pieces have a front side, printed side, or back side. Here the layout diagram will be indicate which way each way piece should be placed. If the fabric has one-way design, then lay all over your pattern pieces in the same direction with the finished project in mind. Accurate notch size. If it is large in size, it can be seen after sewing of fabrics. Also, there is a great probability of producing problems in matching of patterns after sewing. Drill holes and size should be appropriate and it will be placed in right place. If it is too large, it will be soon after sewing, but if it is too small, then it can be blocked easily. So these are the points to be considered while choosing carding. Precision is cut in dimension means fabric it will be same. The cut edge must be very cleaned. Infused edge, consistency, fabric cuttings of lay, and position of pattern pieces is also very useful. And missing cuts, running shades, meshing parts, bowing techniques, and leaning tensions and loosings. And these are the different types of fabric cutting machines according to the operating process. The cutting machines can be classified into three types: manual, semi-automatic, automatic, computerized. Hand scissors, semi-automatic cutting machines, automatic and computerized. Hand measures, cutting machines. And the advantage of hand scissors: overhead costless, good over individual production, easy to operate, risk is low, don't require skilled worker to operate, suitable for making sample arrangements. Disadvantage of hand scissors: large production is not possible, time consuming method, need to grind rapidly, not suitable for economical process, fabric wastage is very high. And list of the defects or variety inspections are very cut. And running blades, matching plies, number of bundles, bowing, fabric waste, alignments, cues. Points to be considered while choosing cutting techniques: precision, dimensioning pattern, fabric part is cut should be same, it should be clean, and infused edges will be cutting surface will be countered, and should position grain line is indicated. Every pattern pieces have the front side and back side of the fabric should be placed. If the fabric's one way design, then the other patterns will be same directions. If it is in large size, the sewing fabrics are also great probability of producing problems. Drill holes and size should be appropriate after sewing. So these are the requirements and disadvantages of hand scissors, and different types of cutting machines and requirements of cutting process will be discussed in this PPTs. Thank you.